Okay, so I said I would do a mini vlog every day. We're here with Namza and we're here at Nazca, which is sick. Like we're at on the 12th floor. I think this is the address hotel. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if Hamza has a question for me. Do you have a question? That's the real question. Do you have a question?
I don't think I have any question off the top of my head today. Uh, all that I can really think of right now is what do you think changed in your life when you moved to Dubai and you started earning more, significantly more than what you were earning back home? And now that you're living this life, what do you think has changed in you as Haris, in your personality?
Oh yeah, easy answer. I stopped taking shit. I stopped taking shit
Yeah.
from a lot of people because you already know how I am, especially on sales calls.
Yeah.
I say no more than I say yes. Pretty much every single time. Like I think 9 out of 10 calls end in me saying no
Yeah.
to the other person. I we don't work with everyone anymore.
Yep.
Just because it was cool to get a lot of experience, but now that we are at a certain point, it just doesn't make sense for us to take on so much work that we're still hustling. Right?
But apart from the business side of things,
Oh,
what do you
as-
think? What do you think changed in you personally?
As a person,
Yeah.
I have way more clarity in what I want in life. Like I got way more clarity because I stopped. I have the luxury to stop worrying about making money.
Yeah.
Right? I make money now because I enjoy the process. Like I actually like that. I don't know how to explain it,
Yeah.
but it's more of I enjoy the process more than actually, having money in my bank account. I enjoy the inputs I need to give, daily inputs, just being consistent, remembering what to do, when to do it, right? And just improving my processes, my internal processes, my systems, like 1% every single time.
Yeah.
Like we recently hired a proper accountant.
Yeah.
Like I I I honestly couldn't believe like we're at the point where we need an accountant.
Yeah.
I would have never thought in a million years like I would be running a business in Dubai and actually need an accountant. Like
Yeah.
I have a virtual assistant now. I have a VA.
So you started off as a freelancer. You never thought that you were going to
I
reach
started
this
off
point.
not even a freelancer. I started off with a 9 to 5, and script writing was just a side hustle.
Yeah.
I was trying to build it into a side hustle.
So basically, you started script writing, and when you gave up your 9 to 5,
Mhm.
in the official terms, you were a freelancer.
Yeah, I was a freelancer. I started
And-
out as a freelancer.
Yeah, and now you're running your own business, and you have, I mean, we have what we can call a media company of sorts.
Yeah.
I mean, we're still
Yeah.
building it.
Love it.
Love
बेहतरीन
it. मतलब
बेहतरीन है भाई ये डेली व्लॉग चल रहा है अभी बुर्ज खलीफा नाइस ये भी सही है but yeah as a person dude we're at a point where we need like I'm at a point where I need a personal assistant just to keep on top of like everything I'm doing in the business because a lot of people know us for script writing
yeah.
but they don't know we do so much more than just script
Yeah.
write like
Yeah.
there's so many moving parts.
There's a lot of things that are not public yet, that are not
Yeah.
being directly offered to everybody.
Yeah.
It's like a set number of clients, a very
Yeah, very,
specific
very,
clientele
very few clients. Like it's like
that
5
actually-
clients total.
yeah, that actually have that
Access to those
Yeah.
services. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Those are like super specialized for like we're talking high ticket, like high ticket,
Yeah.
and those take so much of my time
Yeah.
because those are things that I have to actually go in and do myself.
Yeah.
Just because I can't really. One, we don't really like outsourcing anyways,
Yep, exactly.
right?
Exactly.
It's all of our writers.
Outsourcing has always been a no-no
Like
for us.
our writers are me, you,
Yeah.
and Hassan, which is
Yeah.
our third brother.
Yeah.
and we have one external writer,
One external writer.
and that's only because she's very very good,
And we know her personally.
and we
too.
know her personally because she's
The sister of a friend.
Yeah, sister of a friend.
Yeah, sister of a friend.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it's a team of 4, and we punch way above our weight.
Yeah.
We punch way above our weight. Like it is scary
We're-
sometimes, dude.
we're-
Honestly, it is scary looking
We're
at the
very
to-do
well
list.
paid. We're very well paid, but we're very overworked.
Yeah, it is.
We're very
It is true.
overworked.
Like we do overwork ourselves,
Yeah.
not because we don't have a choice. It's precisely because we have a choice and
Yeah.
we want to.
Exactly. Exactly.
We just enjoy putting
Exactly, we
ourselves
just-
in shitty situations,
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a shitty situation.
It's not a sticky situation. It's like
In tough
a very.
situation.
We have started to at least try to find that balance between work and our personal lives.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. True. True.
yeah, I think some things changed for me personally when I moved over here. I was back in Pakistan for
You
the
got
last 6
married in the
months.
process, dude.
Yeah, and
You
after
got
I got
married.
married, so it's been barely two months, maybe. Maybe
You being here as
Yeah.
a married person,
Yeah.
like you
So-
you and your wife. being
yeah.
here.
So I moved back to Dubai with my wife, and I'm out of the bachelor life now. And honestly, it's not that different because I've known my wife. She was my girlfriend for like 5 years, and we're like really cool with each other. So not everything isn't different, but me personally, I think that I need to start focusing more on spending my personal life, my private life, making it better, rather than just focusing on the work side of things and just overworking myself. So yeah, that's what changed in me, and that's what changed in Haris.
Yeah.
And this was the second episode of Tidbits with Haris.
Very not tidbits, dude.
Yeah.
I don't like that name.
So-
Sounds gay. Sounds gay.
We're still working on the name. We're still working on the name. For now, we're going to call it Tidbits for Haris. Maybe we'll change it later
We're
on.
not calling it tidbits for us, dude. Episode 2, daily vlogs.
You guys suggest what name should we give to this series, or even
Yeah.
if we should make it into a series or not.
Yeah.
Just tell us what you guys want, because this is for you, not for us. And we'll see you in the next one.
It is for us. It's
It
for
really
me.
is.
It's for
It
me.
really is.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's for me.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.
Peace. Pause this shit.